Hey guys! Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you history of Flatiron Building, located in New York City. So move toward my today's video. The Flatiron Building, one of New York City's most iconic landmarks, is a symbol of architectural innovation and urban sophistication. Located at the intersection of 5th Avenue, Broadway, and East 23rd Street. This triangular marvel has captivated residents and visitors alike, since its completion in 1902. Developer and vision. The Flatiron Building was commissioned by the Fuller Company, a leading construction firm at the time. They wanted a headquarters that would showcase their prominence in the building industry. The company initially called it the Fuller Building in honor of their founder, George A. Fuller, but it soon became popularly known as the Flatiron Building, due to its distinctive triangular shape. Design and construction. The Flatiron Building was designed by Daniel Burnham, a prominent Chicago-based architect, known for his work in urban planning and skyscraper design. Its unique triangular shape was dictated by the plot of land it occupies, creating a resemblance to a flat clothes iron, hence its name. Constructed with a steel skeleton, the Flatiron was one of the first buildings in New York City to utilize such a modern engineering technique, allowing it to reach a height of 22 stories, 285 feet. This made it one of the tallest buildings in the city at the time. Its Beaux-Arts design, adorned with limestone and terracotta facades, blended classical elegance with modern functionality. Reception and legacy. When it was completed, the Flatiron Building initially received mixed reviews. Some critics mocked its unconventional design, dubbing it the Burnham's Folly. However, its dramatic presence and ability to withstand strong winds quickly silenced skeptics. The building's unique shape created a wind tunnel effect, causing onlookers' hats to blow off, which became part of its lore. The Flatiron Building became an instant icon, frequently depicted in photographs, paintings, and postcards. Its image symbolized New York City's dynamic spirit during the early 20th century. Cultural significance. Over the years, the Flatiron Building has been featured in numerous films, TV shows, and advertisements, further cementing its place in popular culture. It has served as inspiration for artists and architects worldwide, and remains a beloved architectural gem. Modern developments. Despite its age, the Flatiron Building continues to be a vibrant part of Manhattan. It underwent renovations to maintain its structure, and has been used as office space for various companies. In 1989, it was designated a National Historic Landmark, recognizing its significance in American architectural history. The Flatiron Building is more than just an architectural masterpiece, it is a symbol of New York City's ambition, resilience, and creativity. Its unique design, storied past, and enduring cultural relevance make it a landmark, celebrated by people from around the globe. If you enjoyed today's video, then like and share my today's video, and subscribe my YouTube channel.